Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and review into Huck's World, bringing you the news that matters. And today, yes, this news, it matters. All right, you all, we got some Samsung news and it's about the Galaxy Note 10. Now, for those of you all who don't know, Ice Universe rumored out that we should have a smartphone that should look exactly like this, right? Now, the front of the smartphone, really, in my opinion, is going to favor the Galaxy S10, not unless they're going to stretch that chin down a little bit more and stretch it over on the side a little bit more as well. But we are going to get a different placement so far as the camera system is concerned. Now, it was rumored to have a pill shape in the center at first, which looks super ugly to me, but it's rumored, at least by Ice Universe, that we're going to have a single cutout for the camera in the front of this display. Now, on the back, we should have a new camera system, which could a triple camera on the Galaxy Note 10, and it's going to be aligned differently than what we're getting on the Galaxy Note 8, the Galaxy Note 9, which is cool. It looks good. It's not a bad deal. Let's just see if this is just rumors and speculations at this point, so take it with a grain of salt. Now, the specs on this thing, at least a few of them, we should have a bigger battery, a 4,300 milliamp hour battery. The resolution on here should be 1440 by 3040, and we're talking about a 13 megapixel camera. Now, I don't have all the specs on that at this time. As time goes on, I'm quite sure more rumors, more leaks are going to drop so far as the features and functions of the smartphone. But let's talk about the biggest news of the day. Let the fast charging war begin. Samsung is about to rise to the top of the food chain with a 100-watt fast charger, right? Now, we already got a 15-watt fast charger for the Galaxy S10 and the S10 Plus, and on our mid-range, we have a 25-watt fast charger. Now, the Huawei Mate X has a 55-watt fast charger, and yes, Tsunami has already beat everybody to the game with their 100-watt fast charger, which is going to charge a 4,000 milliamp hour battery up to 50% in just 7 minutes and up to 100% in just 17 minutes, which means you can charge 4 smartphones with this type of battery in less than 30 minutes. This is going to be a game changer. This is going to be a beast of a charger. This is exactly what we need for our smartphones today. Now, I'm not sure if it's going to come when the Galaxy Note 10 is released. Again, I'm going to keep hope alive because I'm looking for this one. Listen, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this one. Let me know if this is something you're looking forward to, or do you think Samsung is going to be able to produce such technology? Now, also what I've heard, there's going to be a chip in here that's going to have overcharger protection, so we shouldn't have to worry about that. But with all that being said, all we can do is wait and see. All right, you all, I hope you all enjoyed the video, and if you did, please hit the like button down below. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.